is going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick update on Senior Vic, my Crown Vic Police Interceptor. Recently, he was at the body shop getting some minor work. I'll show you. They did a really good job on that, but unfortunately, they kind of broke some other stuff. It is Monday. I had received the car on Friday, so I had the weekend to look at it, and I'm bringing it back to them right now. That's why I'm making the video, so I can show you what's going on with it before we go. Let's check it out. So what happened initially was someone backed into this fender. It was folded right here. So what they did was put a whole brand new fender on. It looks really nice. Which was really good too, because the lower spot was starting to get rusty, like the Vics do. Whole new fender. And they painted the door to blend it all in, so the door doesn't have a single scuff on it. It looks beautiful. I'm giving the positives first here. They did put a new fender liner in it too. I'd open the hood, but that's one of the bad things. You can see it from there. And they put a new light in it. Side light, marker light. Didn't paint the bumper though. Now, the body work, like I said, it really looks good. You know what I mean? All the paint, and it's nice. It looks clean. But the mechanical part of it, the putting pieces together, is where they kind of messed up. I'll show you. As soon as I got the car, I had noticed the spotlight was weird. Whether it was where it was sitting or I just grabbed it, but this before could hold itself up, you could point it, and now look. It's slap and noodle in the door. It's not supposed to move like that. This rod is supposed to stay stationary. I can't show you, but this rod's supposed to stay stationary, and this pivots on the rod. This rod's not supposed to move. So they broke something in the door. Before, you could aim the spotlight, leave it right there, and you'd be good. You could drive around. But yeah, so that's super annoying. Obviously, I want that fixed for sure. I was like, what the heck is up with my spotlight? I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm probably gonna bounce it off something. The next thing I noticed was that they even forgot to put some hardware in here. As you can see, that is a clip hole right there, and you can tell a clip was there. And what this does, it prevents stuff from going behind the windshield here. And this is evidently loose without that clippy in there. So, kind of a weird mistake. You'd think a reputable body shop would not forget to put a clip in like that, a big one. It's also missing on the other side. Now, moving to the front of the car, the final thing that I realized that was messed up, kind of a big thing, was the hood alignment. A big thing because I went out with my girlfriend, we went to get some food, and the hood actually popped up. I shut it pretty hard, and it did not stay down. You have to really give it hell, and that's just stupid. And the reason for that being is the hood is not aligned properly at all. Get some better light for you here. As you can see right there, very, very little gap. Then you come across, as you come across, the gap's getting bigger, getting bigger, getting bigger. And then over here, you have this massive gap. Massive gap. Barely any gap. And when you lift the hood up, the front lip of the hood is catching this front valance. It actually hits it, and it's starting to scrape the paint away. And if it was doing that before I had brought it to them, there would be scrape marks, but the hood was never scraping before. The hood always shut good. So the hood is now misaligned, not shutting properly, and rubbing my front valance. When I shut the hood, it shut so hard. That's how I figured it out, because the hood made such a loud thud. It was bouncing off that front valance. I was like, what is that? And led me to see how just badly aligned it is. So for those three reasons, we're going back to the body shop today. And I'm going to show them that and say, can you guys fix that? Or please, I need that fixed, because that is obviously pretty bad. There's kind of a lot broken there. But yeah, we're going to send it back there shortly. You can even see where they used a tool to pry this clippy out, but they didn't put it back in. Kind of weird. That is it for now, everybody. Leave a comment about your body shop stories. If you had a vehicle getting work that had good work, had bad work, whatever, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Make sure to leave this video a like, give it a share with all your friends, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.